Morning students, today we will continue exercise 4.3. Question number 3. Solve the following equations. So P part is minus 4 equals to 5 into P minus 2. So solving the equation means finding the unknown quantity. So we have to find this P here. Okay. So what we will do is, first step will be, we will write this P containing term on the LHS and this minus 4 will take to the RHS. So we can write like this. Okay, it's the same. A is equal to B or B is equal to A. It is the same. Next step. Now P is multiplied with this P minus 2. So we will transpose this 5 to the RHS. So it will go in divide. Okay. Now next what we have to do is we have to find just P. So this minus 2 will be transposed to the RHS and it will become what? Plus 2. So we will have P is equal to minus 4 by 5 and then this will be transposed to the RHS, it will become plus 2 and 2 means 2 upon 1. So this implies P is equal to. Now students, this is sum of fractions and already you have done in your previous classes how to add the fractions. First we have to take the LCM of the denominators. Okay. So what will be the LCM? 5. So the LCM is 5. Now this divided by this. 1. 5 divided by 5 is how much? 1. So 1 into the numerator plus 1. This and this will be divided again. 1 divided by 5. It's 5. So 5 into 2. Okay. So P is equal to 1 into 4 minus 4 is minus 4 plus 2 5s are 10 upon 5. So this implies P is equal to. Now plus minus is minus. So 10 minus 4 is how much? 6. Okay. So the greater number is 10. It is having plus sign. So we will have plus with the result. So that is 6 upon 5. So the value of P is 6 upon 5, which is our required solution. Now students, the D part. 4 plus 5 into P minus 1 is equal to 34. So this is the variable, the unknown quantity. So this term we will keep in the LHS and this 4 we will transpose to the RHS. So we will have this term in the LHS only and this 4 will be transposed to the RHS. So when we transpose this plus 4, no sign is here means it is having plus sign. Okay. So when this plus 4 will be transposed to the RHS, it will become minus 4. So we have 34 already is there. So this 4 will become minus 4. This implies now 5 will be multiplied with this as well as this. Okay. So 5 into P, 5P minus 5 into 1 is 5. 5 will be multiplied by both. P, 5 into P, 5P and plus minus is minus 5 into 1 is 5. This is equal to 34 minus 4 is 30. The next step, so this is the unknown. So this will remain in the LHS only. This 5 will be transposed. So when we transpose it, it will become what? Minus 5 will become plus 5. So we will have 5P is equal to 30 plus 5, 35. Now what we want? This P. So this P is multiplied with 5. So P will be what? When we transpose this 5 to the RHS, it will become divided by 5. So 35 divided by 5 is 7. Okay, so the value of P is 7. Now students, the E part. 0 equals to 16 plus 4 into m minus 6. So we have to find the unknown m. M is unknown here. Okay. So the RHS is having the m. So we will write the RHS this side and the 0 to the RHS. So this RHS we can write in the LHS and the 0 on the RHS. It is the same. A is equal to B or B is equal to A is same. So what will be the next step? See, M is in this term, so this will remain in the LHS. This we will transpose. So what we will have? This 16 is plus 16. So while transposing it, it will become minus 16. And now this 4 is multiplied with this. So if we transpose this minus this 4 to the RHS, when we transpose it to the RHS, what will become? It will come and divide. So we will have m minus 6 is equal to minus 16 is already there. This 4 will be divided. And 16 divided by 4 is 4. So what we will have? Minus 4. Now we have to find the m. This 6 we will transpose. Okay. So what we will have? This minus 4 is already there. The 6 will be transposed and it will become plus 6. While transposing, the sign gets changed. So m is equal to what? Plus minus minus. And 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay, 2. But the bigger number is 6. So it will have plus sign. So the value of m is plus 2. Now students, we will do question number 4. The B part. Construct 3 equations starting with x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 is the given equation. And we have to use this equation and form 3 more equations. Okay. So what we will do is, first we will write the given equation is x is equal to minus 2. And we will give it number 1. Okay. Now we have to form 3 more equations using this. So first step we will do is we will just add. We can add any number. So write first adding 1 to both sides. Okay. Adding 1 to both the sides. So x is equal to minus 2 was the given equation. We have to add what? 1 to both the sides. Plus 1 here and plus 1 in the RHS also. What we will get? X plus 1 is equal to minus 2 plus 1. Minus plus is minus and 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 but greater number is 2, so we will write minus 1. This is one equation. Okay. This is the first equation formed. Now next what we will do is subtract. Subtracting, suppose any number you can take 2 from both sides. Subtracting 2 from both sides of this 2 equation. Of 2 means this one, okay? This. So now we have to subtract 2. This is the equation number 2. We have to subtract 2 from both sides. Okay. So what we will get? X plus minus is minus. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 is bigger, so minus 1. And minus minus is plus. 2 plus 1, 3. Greater number is 2, so minus 3. This is the third equation. That is the next equation. Now what we can do is multiply both sides of 3 by Suppose 4. This 3 makes this equation number 3. Okay? And we have to multiply this by 4 on both the sides. So equation was this. What we have to do is multiply by 4 both sides. That is 4 into this and 4 into this also. Both the sides by 4. So that is 4 into x minus 1 is equal to 4 3s are 12 and plus minus is minus. So this is the next equation. Okay. So finally you can write, hence the equations are, what was the first? This one, x plus 1 is equal to minus 1. Next was this, x minus 1 is equal to minus 3. And the last is this, 4 into x minus 1 is equal to minus 12. So these are the 3 equations formed from this given equation. First is this, second is this, and third is this. I hope this is clear to everyone. The first part of this, that is the A part, you can try yourselves in your after books.